Today we have a small equation that looks like a bit scary at first. Are you afraid of factorials? But don't worry, I am here to find our scary 5 factorial into a friendly number. First we have to know about the factorial. A factorial is a function that multiplies number by every number below it till 1. For example, if we take 4 factorial, we can write it as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. After multiplying, we get the answer as 24. So in our question 5 factorial is there, so 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. After multiplying, we get the answer as 120. So our question is 4 square root of x into square root of 5 factorial is equal to 8x, but we have a condition that x is not equal to 0. Substitute the 5 factorial in the equation. Then we have 4 square root x into square root of 120 is equal to 8x. 120 we can write it as 4 into 30. Square root 4 is 2. So we can write it as 4 square root x into 2 into square root of 30 is equal to 8x. 4 into 2 is 8. Left side 8 and right side 8 will be cancelled out. Then square root x into square root 30 is equal to x. Now square on both sides. Then we get square root x into square root 30 whole square is equal to x square. After cancelling the squares, then we get as 30x is equal to x square. Then we can write it as x square minus 30x is equal to 0. Take x common, then we wait as x into x minus 30 is equal to 0. Then we get as x equal to 0 and x is equal to 30. But we have a condition that x is not equal to 0, so our answer is x is equal to 30. Now let's verify by putting x is equal to 30 in our equation. First take left side. So 5 factorial is 120. 120 we can write it as 4 into 30. Square root of 4 is 2, take outside. 4 into 2 is 8, then we get as 8 into square root 30 into square root 30. Square root 30 into square root of 30 is 30. So 8 to 30 is equal to 240. To now right side part is 8x. X is equal to 30, so 8 into 30. Answer is 240. So left side part and right side part, both sides are equal answers. So our x value is 30. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.